Reggae artist Samory recently released the song Blood in the Streets. It's inspired by the harsh realities of Jamaican society today, and he joins us now to talk about tackling violence through his music. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thanks.
Tell me a little bit about Samory, you know?
Samory is just a simple ghetto youth, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Doing music, open up the eyes of the people about the word of Rastafari and the word of Christ.
How you get involved in music, Samory?
My manager, Bridget Anderson, was coming out of a accident, and she came to me with a word, and I was reading, you know. Sometimes I started singing, and she heard the fact that I could sing, and that's when she brought me to a producer called Rory Stone.
What? So no kind of formal training? No sing nowhere else? Just something that you do naturally all the time. How would you describe your style of music?
Soulful and passionate.
Soulful and passionate.
Yeah, because I put my all in my music.
Yeah. Based on what I've said, I feel like your music is inspired by everything that happens around you.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Why did you feel the need to sing about the realities of violence at this time?
I mean, the people them need a insight as to what is going on, you get me? We can't be chopping every day.
Yes. Yeah.
Can't be popping Mali every day. Get me? There can be a time for see what's going on in the world, analyze that, and try to change that.
Is this the kind of themes that you talk about mostly in your music?
I mean, yeah, differently from spirituality. Man having him one-to-one with the Almighty. Yeah, this is what I talk about.
Yeah, we've had a lot of debates lately about music and the impact of music. And it's interesting because listening to an artist like yourself who is saying through my music, I want to help people understand getting in touch with that spirituality and Rastafari. Then I don't know why them not believe said the reverse is also true.
Yeah.
That you make people connect to the wrong things as well.
I don't lie, like, to everything you have negativity and
positivity.
As adults, everybody know that, isn't it?
Yeah. So them have to do it, All right. So this new single, Blood in the Streets, we read it. It's about the realities, but the reality happen all the time. It must be something that would have said to Samory, I have to put something in music about it.
It's too much. You see the day when they are at TVJ Garden and shoot the video, police came in and found 3 dead bodies.
Oh my God.
So just them type of thing there.
Yeah.
You see me, like, it's crazy. We're down there shoot a video about blood in the streets and blood in the streets
right
down there. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy.
It's crazy. How people been responding to it so far?
It's a beautiful response, you know what I'm saying? Mirel son, you know? Up with music.
Mirel son?
Yeah.
High Tide or Low, that's Jesse Royal's Grammy-nominated Royal album. And now you're on Protos. You're featured on Third Times the Charm. How does that feel to you? I mean, being featured on back-to-back best reggae albums in the Grammy.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's true, you know what I'm saying? The power within the message, you get me? When one person do it is so powerful. When both of us combine, or 3 or 4 of us, then imagine how immense the message will be. You know what I'm saying? So I man give thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah.
Congrats to Proto and Jesus, you know what I'm saying?
Yes. Excellent, yeah, because it means, you see, I tell people all the time, you know, if you have an aim and an objective, you have to surround yourself with people who share that vision. And Jesse and Proto share the vision that I'm hearing from you.
Sure.
Album coming out?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You see, people, it depends on how you watch this music video, how you deal with the music we're releasing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because the more they are them vision the thing, is the earlier the album can come out.
Okay.
So each one spread it, you know what I'm saying? Because more the album come out quick, you know?
The album for come out quick, man. These visuals are amazing.
Yes, I
love it, love it. More to come. Yeah, man. No, keep doing it, you know.
Yes, I.
Keep doing it and don't get distracted, because it's easy to get distracted in this business, you know.
True.
People say you have such a great voice. Come do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's not long term.
No, we've been there still now. We're here. You know what I'm saying? You have such a good voice. Why you don't do this? You know what I'm saying? But
that's not legacy.
No, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's so easy to do negative, you get me? I say, I stay in my own lane and do my thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Messages of hope, pain, and resilience. That's what comes out, and this is first single So we're coming out of the album, so we know that we can expect greater things from Samory. For people who want to follow you, your path and what you're doing, where do we find you?
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, through Facebook, official Samory.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my YouTube, Samory, that is, you know what I'm saying?
Subscribe to the YouTube, man. 9 million views I'm seeing here on Rasta No Gangsta.
Still need more people for coming in, and it's still not enough.
9 million, still not enough.
Not even nearby.
Summarize it. 9 million. That's 3 times Jamaica. So
Yeah, but it's still not enough, you know, because the world is...
It's a larger place. I know. So spread the word, people. You see, part of the things I get from artists is we're telling them that they must do A, but when they do A, they don't get the kind of support that we ourselves give to B. So we can't say one thing and I do one thing. So we say we want better music, but we're not supporting it. So make sure you go on YouTube and look for Samory I and give him some love. Thank you so much for speaking with us this morning, man. Blessings. All right, recording artist Samory I. Excited to hear more from him. After the break,